CBM taxes and the actions they need to take to stay compliant. Let's have a look at how installation operators can disclose product-level data with EcoVadis Tools. 6. For installation operators, disclosing product-level data with EcoVadis Tools. Accepting a reporting declarance request to report. Watch this short video to understand how installation operators can accept a request from their reporting declarants to share their product data.
When you receive a CBAM request, you'll see a notification on your dashboard to say you can view your requests. But you can also find these requests in network and sharing activity. Inside sharing activity, you'll see a list of any requests received, and requests that have expired will be marked as expired without the option to accept or dismiss. You can receive requests for PCF and CBAM, just for PCF or just for CBAM. When you have a request, you have the request date, the expiration date, the data requested, and also companies can include a message. This could be to specify the type of data they want, or time period, or various things, or it could just be they only want partial data. So if you were to choose to dismiss, then this response is only visible to the person whose request you're dismissing, so in this case Danielle Plants, so none of the other requesters would see this. And these options can be, I don't have the requested data yet, and this gives you the option to say you'll have it in 3 months, 6 months or 12 months, so that companies know whether it's reasonable to request again within those time frames. You could be concerned about data privacy, where we have a link where we explain how your data is protected, and other comment, which can be any comment related to your data. And you can accept. If you accept, again, the response is only sent to Danielle Plants in this case, but whoever the requesting company was. And these can be, I'm already reporting the requested data. So this could be, you've seen the request, you found the data, added it to the platform, and you're coming back to let them know that's available for them to come and have a look at. I don't have this data now, but can provide it in the future. And this could be because you're in the process of calculating data, or you know that it will become available. And this lets the company know that you're accepting the request, but not to expect it to be available immediately. So you have 1 month, 2 month, 3 month timeframes. And other comment, which is free text. So in this example, we're saying you could share the data, but we only have it calculated for a specific time frame, and they may have asked for a longer time frame. But this can be any comment that you like. And that's that.
To share their product data. Press play to find out more. Reporting CBM data on the EcoVadis platform. Watch this short video to understand how installation operators can report CBM data on the EcoVadis platform.
To report CBAM data, which is Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism data, you first need to go to My Performance and your Carbon Product Data tab. Inside this tab, you'll see any existing data you've reported, including PCF or previous CBAM data, and your products. If a product already exists, you can choose to add CBAM data by clicking this button. And where products don't fall under CBAM regulations, they'll be grayed out with this tooltip. If a product doesn't exist you'd like to add CBAM data for, you can choose to add new product. Here you complete the information about the product, in this case metal ores, iron ore, and optional description. From here you can go straight to adding PCF or CBAM data. In this example we'll say, so here's your new product. You can delete this product, or you can choose to add data. So we're going to add CBAM data. To add CBAM data, you download the Commission approved Excel template. You complete this off the EcoVadis platform. We have Help Center articles for that too. You select a reporting period, add your CN code. We have information about the CN code and a list of CN codes to help you find the relevant one, and then upload your file. So you include that, upload your file, and save. You have a success message, and we look below, there's your CBAM data. You can also delete this here.
Press play to find out more. See the Phase 9, Sharing Data to the Reporting Declarants section of Chapter 3. For installation operators, Calculating CBM Emissions section for more information about where this video fits in the CBM process. To conclude, did you know? The reporting obligation phase does not merely represent a test phase. Violations of the reporting obligation that came into force on October 1st, 2023, as well as inaccurate reporting, will be punished with a fine of at least €10 per ton of CO2, and up to €50 per ton depending on the severity of the violation. What's next? Great job! Now that installation operators have learned about how to disclose product-level data with EcoVadis Tools, let's have a look at how reporting declarants can request and analyze product-level data with EcoVadis Tools.